it's Gracie with WTI. Do you want to know what can make a good drink even better? Well, don't laugh, but it's the type of ice cube that you use. So I know that sounds silly, but I recently just got these mini ice cube trays from Miaowoof, and I don't know what it is, but I think it's because these molds turn your ice into perfectly round spheres every single time, and it makes it seem like I put extra effort into making the drink. But in all honesty, it was so easy to use these molds. So all you do is just fill the tray with water and then press the top lid on. Make sure you do this over the sink because you will notice that it squirts the excess water out. And that's pretty much it. And by the next day, they're fully frozen. I just twist the trays a little bit and then separate the two trays. And there you have it, perfect little rounds of ice spheres. It never fails. They are so cute. So this set comes with 3 mold trays, some tongs, and this clear plastic bin, which is so convenient because I love being able to just dump all my ice directly in this bin and then keep reusing the molds over and over again. So if I freeze all 3 trays, it makes 99 little spheres, which as you can see fills up a little over half of the bin. So it definitely makes plenty of ice. I have had so much fun with these trays. I've frozen my favorite juice in them. I've even thrown some mint leaves in there, which not only makes these little spheres look really intriguing, but it really does add that refreshing flavor to my drinks. It even comes with a little booklet of adult drinks, which I thought was just a really nice addition. So now I can stop buying these large bags of ice because these little trays is all I need. Plus, it saves so much room in my freezer. And that's my point of view.